Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Photos app is not working or not opening error in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very simple problem and I give the simple two solution to fix this issue. So let's go to our first solution. Our first method is very simple. Go to the start, type Photos. Here we find Photos, right click on the Photos app, right click on it, not left click, right click on it. And here we find app settings, click on the app settings, wait for a few seconds. After that, here we find Photos, scroll down, here we find many things, scroll down, and here we find reset, here we find repair, and here we find reset. And we are going to the reset, click on the reset. And it's asked to reset or not. I want to reset, so click on the reset, wait for a few seconds, and after reset, your problem is solved. Wait for a few seconds, close it, and go to the start, go to the Photos and check your Photos app is working or not. If it's not working, then I give the next solution. Our next solution is also very simple. We are going to the uninstall our Photos app, and after that we reinstall that Photos app. First we uninstall it, go to the here in the YouTube description. Here we have one link or the one path. Copy this path, right click on it and copy it and minimize it and go to the start. Here type PowerShell and right click on the Windows PowerShell, right click on the PowerShell. Here we find run as administrator, click on run as administrator. It is very IMP, click on the yes. Here we find PowerShell, right click on it and paste our path and paste it and hit enter button. It's remove our Photos app. Close it. Now check our Photos app is available or not. Now our Photos app is not available. Next option is we are going to reinstall our Photos. That is very easy. Go to the start and here go to the Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store or type Microsoft Store and open it. Open Microsoft Store. Here is our Microsoft Store and at the top type Photos, type Microsoft Photos. Here type Microsoft Photos and click on the Microsoft Photos. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find many options. Click on the Microsoft Photos. Here we find Microsoft Photos from the Microsoft Corporation. It is a very IMP, Microsoft Corporation. And here we find Get. Click on this Get button. Wait for a few seconds. It's installed on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. It's starting downloading and after downloading, it goes to the install it. Now it is installed. Click on open. And here we find our Photos app is reinstalled and open in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simple problem. It is not opening or not working error in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.